we are glad to offer a first of its kind multi-cap India Manufacturing Index Fund. But first, let's discuss why consider investing in manufacturing sector in India. India's ambitious goal is to be a $5 trillion economy by 2025, a $10 trillion economy by 2030, and a $30 trillion economy by 2047. With expected rise in GDP, India is likely to increase its share in the pie of global manufacturing output like the developed countries. India currently carries a 3.3% share of the global manufacturing output, while the developed economies carry about 15 to 20% share. As India's GDP rises, it is expected to have a positive impact on the manufacturing theme in India, aided by the key driver of Production-Linked Incentive Scheme or PLI. Government's PLI scheme is expected to assist in India's goal of Make in India and create India as an export champion. PLI benefit of 2 trillion rupees accruing to 14 sectors is expected to be the key driver for manufacturing theme in India. Tata Nifty 500 Multi-Cap India Manufacturing Index Fund will help to capture the manufacturing theme encompassing multiple sectors. These sectors would have different segment drivers and different cycles, but many of them are running a common thread in PLI. Thus, a vast theme like manufacturing can be accessed in a very disciplined manner through a multi-cap manufacturing index. The new multi-cap India Manufacturing Index has helped to spread out allocations across market caps rather than just being concentrated in large caps. It has diversified into multiple sectors, including government's PLI beneficiary sectors. Segment caps as 50% for large caps, 30% for mid caps and 20% for small caps has played a very important role in allocating across key basic industries and subsegments spanning 75 stocks. This helps in representing the sector in its entirety. One should consider diversifying into the discipline of index investing. So why wait? Invest now with Tata Mutual Fund and own a piece of India's progress.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.